Everybody, I remember when I was like 16 or 17 years old, I got a driving permit, okay? I got a book and I had to study the multiple choice quiz questions. And then I had to take a road test with like an inspector sitting right next to me. And then I had to take another written test in the jurisdiction. So the state made all these laws, like most states and provinces and places around the world, that basically said if you want to drive, which is a privilege in most places, you have to pass a test. And you pass the test by knowing the laws. The same state legislatures, and you know where I'm going with this, will allow you to marry another person without any knowledge about what happens if the marriage becomes non-functioning. You'll have no knowledge thrust upon you by the state. There's no booklet to explain to you what your rights and responsibilities are. They don't have a booklet to explain what a prenup could possibly do in the event things go off the tracks. They don't explain community property laws in some states or equitable distribution laws in other states, or what common law marriage is or what constitutes cohabitation. They don't tell you anything, but it's the single biggest decision you could make in your life. Doesn't it strike you as odd that in order to drive a car, you got to pass a couple tests, you got to be a certain age, and then they make sure that you know what you're doing, or allegedly know what you're doing, by having a state employee in your car in a lot of jurisdictions watching you drive and parallel park. Bizarre, isn't it? Here's the point of this video. Just by you watching stuff like this, you're doing the right thing. You're getting educated. Be smart, okay? The state isn't going to tell you. Your family is probably not going to tell you, okay? Because they may not know. So let's not poke them in the eye. It's up to you to know what you're getting yourself into. And how do you do that? You can research the law. Talk to a family law attorney, a divorce lawyer. This is what we do all day, every day. They'll explain your rights and responsibilities. It's worth every penny. And if you get scared or cold feet or decide that marriage isn't for you, yahoo! Why? Because you want that to happen before you get married, not after. Then it's too late, all right? Take your time. Know what you're getting yourself into, all right? And be careful out there. Somebody you know needs to see this. You know what to do. Send it over to them. Follow, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Be careful.